You know what you are? You remind me of the future, when the future was in its state of like futuristic, like just theory, like ethereal, like. You are, the future was in its state of like futuristic, like just theory, like ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run's future. Remember the Logan's Run future? Everybody's supposed
only the mind that exists.
So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness.
Anymore, but in the beginning, it was.
Do you know about astrology?
Is it when, primitive caveman didn't have.
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You know what you are? You're...
I have 5 suede jackets and 4.
So I heard that you are also
And things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep
byproduct. Let me explain. A byproduct is a, what did you just say? A butter sausage?
Byproduct. That means there's
no, but
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay, here's my first question. And this is a question I also got off the internet, so I thought it was a good one. How my blood cells, so
was it a latte? Did you get that latte?
I did get a latte. I got almond milk and also regular milk, so they could just fight it out.
I couldn't do the almond milk. That would give my booty the hives. I'm allergic.
Which interviewing? You're watching me interview, Mr. Tracy Morgan.
Listen, I don't know what the only thing that I know is a byproduct of those ballpark friends.
Way over 30 years. I juice
Like
every
my
day.
online
Every day I
video
juice.
on, YouTube back in the
You look
fantastic.
better.
Well, I don't feel better. I feel like
Listen, I don't know what the only thing that I know is a byproduct of those ballpark Franks.
So ambiguity means indecisiveness.
humor, primarily comedy or stand-up comedy, and I got into